This high-style Georgian period home, located at 58 Milk Street in historic Newburyport, Massachusetts, has tremendous space that belies the simple yet elegant facade. Enter the front foyer with checkered black and white flooring, and you'll immediately know that you're in a very special home. The high ceilings, tall windows, stunning crown moldings, and period woodwork welcomes you with a combination of modern style and antique charm. The chef's kitchen with custom cabinets, stone counters, and a Thermador range opens to a lovely dining room and sun-filled dining area overlooking the deck and a beautifully landscaped yard. The cozy family room adds that extra room we all seem to need. The second level has a spacious master bedroom with a bath ensuite, a home office, and another bedroom and bath. The third level has two additional bedrooms, a study, and another full bath, and it's a perfect spot for guests or for a teen suite. All this in the heart of the South End, close to the rail train and the waterfront park. Come and enjoy the Newburyport lifestyle. Newburyport, Massachusetts is a city with a long and rich history. A city where historic preservation has been a key to economic revitalization. A city whose foundation is based on maritime trade. And a city who values its historic sites. Annual events such as the Yankee Homecoming bring the entire town alive every summer. Boutiques, cafes, coffee shops, theaters, antique shops, bookstores, import shops, and food emporiums dot the landscape and the lively downtown area. All over town you can see shipyards, as well as the salt box and Victorian homes, federal mansions and colonial houses that are today's cherished homes. Visitors are drawn from all over New England and the world to this seaport rich in history and beauty. Numerous outdoor spaces and parks provide recreational opportunities in all seasons. From cross-country skiing and snowshoeing in the winter to horseback riding and biking trails. Nearby Plum Island provides amazing bird watching and miles of pristine beaches, as well as the Parker River National Wildlife Refuge. And best of all, it's just an hour train ride into Boston's North Station.